Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 2nd, subject Marigold. Now today we are going to start our second semester. So let's start. Unit 6. Our second semester starts from Unit 6. So today we will discuss about a story. So page number 96. Here a story given in Unit 6, Curly Locks and the Three Bears. This story is about a young girl, uh, Curly Locks and the Three Bears, where a young girl with curly hair unknowingly enters a cottage in the forest which belongs to bear family. She spends a good time nearby eating all the porridge and sleeping in a soft tiny bed. However, when the bear family arrives, she runs out of the cottage in fear. So this story about it. So let's see, and we will practice to read this story. Okay. So let's start. One there was a girl with curly hair. Here, as you can see, she has curly hair. Her name was Curly Locks. One day she went into the forest near her house. She saw a cottage. As you can see in this picture, she saw a cottage and she is going to inside. Then is anybody there in? She asked. There was nobody. The bear family lived in the cottage. They had gone for a walk. Curly Locks went in. She wanted to see who lived there. She saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. There was a big bowl of Papa Bear, a middle-sized bowl for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bowl for Baby Bear. Curly Locks was hungry. She ate the porridge from the big bowl. It was very hot. She ate from the middle-sized bowl. It was too cold. She ate from the tiny little bowl. It was just right. Curly Locks ate up all the porridge. Then she went to the bedroom. There was a big bed for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bed for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bed for Baby Bear. The big bed was very hard. The middle-sized bed was too soft, but the tiny little bed was just right. Curly Locks fell asleep in the tiny little bed. The bear family came back. Somebody ate my porridge, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Somebody ate my porridge too, said Mama Bear. Somebody finished all my porridge, said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. The bear family went to the bedroom. Somebody slept in my bed, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Somebody slept in my bed too, said Mama Bear. And somebody is sleeping in my bed, said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. Curly Locks woke up. She saw the 3 bears. She jumped down and ran out of the cottage as fast as she could. This story adapted from Goldilocks and the 3 Bears. Now this story you all have to practice to read, okay? Okay, now we have some new words here. I have written here in notebook. So first one is curly. Curly means having curls, not in a straight shape. Then cottage. Cottage means a small house or a hut. Bowl, that means a round deep plate. Porridge means a kind of food. And hungry, that means feeling to eat the food. Again, curly, cottage, bowl, porridge and hungry. Okay, now page number 100. Next activity is let's read. Now here 2 sentences given to read, okay? My sister's hair is soft and curly. My sister's hair is soft and curly. When I am hungry, I eat a lot. When I am hungry, I eat a lot. Okay, now next is reading is fun. So here some question given. We have to try to give their answers. Okay, so let's see. First one is, who lived in the cottage in the forest? Who lived in the cottage in the forest? So answer is, a bear family lived in a cottage in the forest. Second one, what did Curly see on the table? So answer is, Curly saw three bowls of porridge on the table. The big bowl was for Papa Bear, the middle sized bowl for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bowl for Baby Bear. Then third one, why did she eat up all the porridge from Baby Bear's bowl? So answer is, Curly was very hungry. She ate all the porridge from Baby Bear's bowl, as it was neither too hot or too cold, just right for her. Then whose bed did Curly sleep in and why? So answer is, Curly slept in the tiny little bed, which was perfect for her as it was neither very hard or nor too soft. Then next activity, let's talk. So here also some question given. So we have to talk about it. Okay. So first one is, have you ever seen a forest? What did you see there? So answer is, if you have seen, say you can say yes, otherwise no. So here yes, I have seen a forest before with many trees and a river bank. Second question is, there is a plate of sweets lying on the table. You want to eat some sweets. What will you do? So answer is, I will pick up a few sweets from the plate and eat them. Then third one, name a few things that you eat from a bowl. What do you call a bowl in your language? So we can eat food like sweets or fruits from a bowl. For the second part of the question, you have to do yourself. Okay, that means you have to answer in your own language. Okay. Okay, now let's eat. Now here you have to activity given to active, and this one activity you have to do yourself. Okay, so let's read. Pretend that you are Curly. Tell your friends what happened to you when you went into the bear's cottage. You can say the story first in your own language and then in English, being like this: I am Curly. I have curly hair. One day and this way you can say. Okay, and in homework you have to write these 4 questions in your notebook, question and answer both. Okay, and new words also, and you have to practice to read this story. Okay, thank you.